Alright, what's going on YouTube? Today I'll be doing the BCM on a CT6 2018. Okay, now I know there's been a lot of stuff online trying to figure out what a BCM is in here. And I'm going to show you real fast where it is. Move this cover out the way. That sits over here, beauty cover. Pop it down. Look up in here. Give me a second to get some light on. Okay, there it is right here in your face. So to pull it down, you got two clips. I've already loosened one. It's right up there. Can't really see my finger pointing, but it's right up there. Another one's backside. So now what we're gonna do is bring it down a little bit so we can disconnect it and plug in a new one. So once you move those clips out the way, one's right there and it's one back there. Let me see if I can focus on it. Right there. So once you do that, this slides down. Also too, be easy to remove this, which is the biggest thing that's holding it is your hood release. So I'm gonna pop it off and I'm gonna put you back on. All right, so I did a roundabout way of doing that. Hood release, just slid around, turned it outside. This is the new one. The reason I'm replacing this is because the key will not recognize, well, the car doesn't recognize the key. The old BCM is bad somehow, probably shorted. But now to put it back in, I'm just gonna plug all of these plugs back in that you seen earlier when it's plugged up into the other one. And that's it. That's basically how you place the BCM. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Later.